Hey you guys, it's Gigi Faison here, and I know we are approaching Valentine's Day, so I'm going to give you a real quick tutorial on how you can make some really cute bows using tulle. This is the tulle that I'm using here. It's the Studio His and Hers from Hobby Lobby, and this is the actual tulle that I'm using. And all you're going to do, I'm going to drop this on the floor. And what you're going to do is you're going to just gather together in your hands and try to get them as evenly as possible. Each side as evenly as possible. And you're just going to go from side to side. And it doesn't matter about the which side and all the flipping and the turning, because it's the same on each side, so you don't have to worry about that as you do with your traditional ribbon and bows. So it depends on the size of the bow that you want as to how many loops you want on each side, but it's just really simple, just a matter of gathering your loops and holding it in the center. And this is very, very easy to do. And everything, you might want to just stop and straighten them out, but really this is all we're doing right here. Taking your tulle, making your loops, and gathering in the middle. So this is, I'm not going to make a real big one this time, because this is actually going to be at the end. And what I do, I've gotten 2 small ones on the end and 1 pretty large one in the middle of what I'm decorating right now. So just cut that off. Then you want to get that as long as you want that. And just cut that off. And being that I don't have anything to tie in the middle, I don't have any ties or anything with me right now. So what I'm going to do is just cut me a piece of the tulle off, just to tie it together. This is what we call making do with what we have. Sometimes you may not have all the necessary tools, but you still have to get a job done. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to use this small piece here, and we're just going to tie it in the middle. Just hold it down. And then as you tie it, see how pretty that looks, even without the fluffing. But what we're going to do is we're going to fluff it here. We haven't done any cutting or anything, other than just cutting the tool in which we're going to use, and then cutting the piece in which we're going to hold the middle together. So again, this is a quick tutorial on how to make a beautiful bow out of tulle for the Valentine holiday. So if you are wanting to do something special for your hubby or for your significant other, and you just want to quickly decorate, this is what you can do. Again, this is Gigi Faison. Thank you for checking into my channel. I hope I have shared something that was inspiring for you to do for the Valentine's holiday that's coming up. If you like what you have seen, and if you are not already a member, then I ask that you do subscribe to my channel. If you've already subscribed, then I ask that you share me with a family member or a friend. Hit that notification bell so that you will be notified each and every time that I upload a new video. And give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment, please. And y'all know how I like to do a scarf. Oh, anyway, I'm gonna go and put this up now. Thank you for checking in. Have a super blessed day. Thank you. Goodbye for now.